It's not funny.
What's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of finding Krista her first car. We ended up picking a new car up, and if you guys missed our first video, we got her a 94 Acura Integra. If you guys missed that video, it's in the description linked below. So go check that out before you watch this video. And why are you laughing, Krista? And so, that 94 Acura Integra was a piece of crap, even though it was, well, it is cheap, so we got what we got. The car did run and drive, but it had no heat. The ignition was actually one of the main things. I couldn't take the key out, so it was kind of like stuck in the key ignition. Little things here and there that I didn't want to mess with. It was kind of ugly and dirty, so I decided to find her a new car. Well, in this video, we ended up picking up an 88 Corolla FX. We also put in a few little things here and there. And how do you feel about the new car?
I like it.
Should we just show them what we got?
AE82.
Oh, I thought you were going to say 86. Alright, so here we go. Enjoy the video. Well, this is it. Krista and I just picked up this little Corolla FX. Too bad it's not a 16, FX 16, but it works. Alright, so what do you think about the new trade-off?
A lot better.
Definitely a better deal, even though this actually costs a lot more than we bought the Integra for. It runs and drives, a lot better gas mileage, more reliable. It's cleaner. Look how pretty that thing is. I actually want that for myself, but it's automatic. So we are on to vacuuming and cleaning the interior up.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Throwing some brake fluid into the car. Oh yeah. Give it a little more gas. There you go. This car has 117,000 miles. For an 88, that's not bad. Let's go light, yeah.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come close. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Okay, so it turned out that the carburetor was bad. I was trying to fix it doing the vacuum delete, and I was talking to one of the guys on the forums, and he told me that, you know, I should rebuild it or just buy a brand new one. So we basically bought a brand new one. Oh, it came with gaskets too. Ooh. It's just a rebuilt, refurbished OEM carburetor. Look how pretty that is. That's how I talk to you. Pretty. Okay. Let's put it in. I installed the new carburetor. It's time to start it up. You can hear that deep tone, right? That deep tone is from that little the nut that we put right there. So the response is totally different. Sounds good.
Hey guys, so we just got a Viper alarm installed in my car along with a keyless entry from Johnny's Uncle One. He did it all within one day, and I'm really happy with the result, and it's a lot more convenient not having to unlock the door every time and then have someone unlock the passenger door. It's also a big relief to know it's got an alarm on it. I'm just really happy with the result, and I think it makes it that much more luxury. And let me demonstrate. It's unlocked. Last tape. Now it's locked. And so every little thing that we do to this car makes it that much more luxury and makes it that much more great.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are.
Alright guys, so today is Valentine's Day, and we got some speakers in the mail today. Tell us a little bit about it.
They're 4-inch, 225 watts, 3-ways, full range speakers. This is what my old ones look like. Pretty janky.
So we didn't go with really expensive speakers. We decided to just get something that works, something that was better than those. Oh, they're not bad. Let's see, turn the back. Let's go and install it. Ready for it?
Yeah.
You alive, buddy? Are you alive?
Keep me from
Great.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this AE82 project. We're definitely going to keep this car as Krista's first car. And it was a fun little project. I learned a lot about carburetors. All it took was a little bit of love here and there. We put in the speakers. What else did we do? What else did we do?
Some new wheels.
We got a new set of wheels. We vacuumed. I mean, we just cleaned it up. Now it feels a lot more comfortable. So, definitely a really good first car for Krista.
It's a lot more reliable, and I'm really grateful to have him around with his skills because I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. And if it weren't for him, I would have just settled for that Integra. And
Well, if it wasn't for me, we wouldn't even gotten that Integra. But
I know, exactly.
we do want to thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to go watch the part 1 in this series of finding Krista her first car. And we will catch you guys in the next video. High five.
You're the one that's like, high five, you just sit there.